constitute a threat, do they have nuclear weapons? And his answer was a categorical no. He said no, they don't, and they don't constitute a threat. Ehud Barak, more or less at the same time, made a similar statement to the fact that he didn't consider that Iran was a threat to Israel. We have to ask ourselves, what is even the pretext and justification after these far-reaching political statements? And I think what we are witnessing here is a build-up towards a military confrontation. These sanctions constitute, in some regards, the staging of a military agenda. And I should mention that in turn we have a massive deployment of US military hardware, troops going into Israel, to be stationed in Israel, more troops going to Kuwait, naval forces in the Persian Gulf, in the Arabian Sea, and in other words, I think what the United States wants now, including its allies, is some kind of a green light which will give a human face to World War III.